Now here we are making, we have already so far prepared the land. We have removed all the debris, everything. Now we are doing lining. The linings for Chloris Guyana or Rhodes grass. I see you have seen the linings that have made so far. Here maybe you can see it very clear, and you can see the boys, the one with the rope is making lines, and right now you see those who are planting. You can see them. You can see those who are planting. Yeah, they have an experience. It's quite an experience, because if you not have an experience in this, you may sow a lot of seeds, and yeah, it's expensive. You can see them down. Those who are lining. The reason we do lining, it's that during the time of weeds, there is some weeds that almost they are similar to Rhodes grass. So the reason I'm putting them in a line is that if you are weeding and you are going in the middle of these two lines, you'll probably know that this is Rhodes grass. And the reason we do not broadcast these seeds of Rhodes grass, when you broadcast, it takes a lot of seeds, and even weeding, it becomes hard or hectic, and you find some workers uprooting the Rhodes grass. Then here, after knowing that I'm on my line, I'm very, very sure that I'm moving in between the lines. There it becomes so much okay. Yeah, that is so. These gaps by and by, after this Rhodes grass brings bring the seeds, after having it grown up, these gaps you no longer see them. These seeds will come down, then they will germinate, they will fill. So in this, after broadcasting, after putting the Rhodes grass in these lines, I want to put in I've decided to put in Centrosema. Others put on Desmodium. Of course, there is a difference between Rhodes Desmodium and Centrosema. You understand what I'm talking about. All of them, they are protein content. They have protein content, but Desmodium, it works for dairy and even for beef. In other words, for fattening. It can serve for a multi purpose. Yeah, that is a garden that we are preparing right now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the garden. I wish you good and a nice look. Subscribe for this channel. You'll get more and more information about pasture establishment. I believe you are seeing how the garden is prepared. Yeah? It has to be very, very prepared. Remove everything. Yeah, thank you so much.